Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Open your Grammar Today book. Page number 27. Our topic is adjectives. Students, describing words are used to describe or tell us more about nouns. Describing words are called adjectives. For example, happy bird, heavy bag, hungry tiger, and honest man. Students, you can see the bird is a noun, and with the noun we have written here a word happy. Students, this word is called adjective because it describes the quality of the bird. Next, we have written heavy with the noun bag, and it describes the quality of the bag. That's why these words happy, heavy, hungry, and honest are called adjectives. On the page number 27, our today's activity B is underline the nouns and circle the adjectives. Students, we already have learned that nouns are the naming words and adjectives are those words which describe the qualities of the noun. Students, here you can see a duckling, and the duckling is saying that be careful. The last sentence has two nouns. In all these sentences, we have only one noun. But in the last sentence, we have two nouns. So, let's start and find out the nouns and adjectives. The number one is already have done for us. Students, you can see it is a sunny day. Sunny is already have circled. Students, sunny is an adjective, that's why we have circled the word sunny. Students, where is the noun in this sentence? Yes, the noun is day, so let's underline the word day. Come to the second one. In second one we have he is a tall boy. So let's find out the noun first. Yes, the noun is boy. And where is the adjective? Yes, the adjective is tall. So according to the statement, we are going to circle the word tall. He is a tall boy. Number 3 is this is a blue pen. Here is the duckling, and it is saying that we have to keep one thing in our mind, that the names of colors are adjectives too. So in this sentence the word blue is an adjective. So let's circle it. And where we have to underline? Yes, the pen is a noun, so let's underline it. In number 4, we have the socks are brown. As we have learned that colors name are also adjectives, so that's why we are going to circle the word brown. And noun is socks. So let's underline it. The socks are brown. In number 5, we have this is a deep tunnel. In this sentence, the deep is an adjective, so let's circle it. And tunnel is a noun, so we are going to underline it. In number 6, we have the frog is pink. So what do you think where we should circle? Should we circle the word frog? No, we cannot circle it because frog is a noun. So let's underline the word frog. Yes, we have to circle the word pink because pink is an adjective. The frog is pink. In number 7, we have this plate is round. So students, where we have to underline? Yes, the plate is a noun, so let's underline it. In this sentence, the round is an adjective. So let's circle it. In number 8, we have the giraffe has a long neck. The duckling once again is saying that be careful. The last sentence has 2 nouns. So let's find out. The first noun is giraffe. Let's underline it. And where is the second noun? Is it long? No. Yes, the neck is the second noun here. So find out the adjective. The giraffe has a long neck. So long is an adjective here. So let's circle it. Students, here we have completed our activity B. Now it's your turn to practice it and learn it. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.